Alright guys, fixing to make a little small batch of jelly. Y'all probably never heard of it. This will be my first time making it. I don't know if anybody that's made it yet, but this is jasmine. It's not the bright yellow confederate jasmine, which is non-edible and poisonous. This is the white flower jasmine, and I'm fixing to get prepared to put it in a little pot and boil it and make some jasmine jelly and see how it turns out. I'll get back with you in a few minutes. Alright, here we are back again. Get the flowers in my little pot. Smells good. Jasmine's kind of a very flowery smell. So this is going to be a sweet. I'm going to say it's going to be about like honeysuckle or rose. Got 3 cups, no, 2.5 cups of water in here. Just letting it boil. The flavor come out. And when it comes to boil and I get it strained off, I'll get back with it again. And I'm back stirring the jasmine flower petals. I believe it's going to make it like a yellow. I'm sure it would with the color. And it smells amazing. You could probably use this for a essential oil or anything. I'm just bringing this up to a boil. I'm going to boil it until I get all the flavor I can get out of it. Anyway, I'm going to stop right there and I'll get back with you guys again in a few more minutes. Alright, everything is coming to a hard boil there now. I'm going to turn the heat off and just let that steep for a little while, and I'll come back later. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna strain off my water into my bowl. I'm gonna pour the rest of this in here, and I'll get back with you when I get all that strained in there and get it back in the pot. Alright guys, I got almost a quart of the jasmine extract here. Sort of lemon yellow color. And I'm fixing to turn that on a boil, and then I'll add my pectin and my sugar here in a little bit, and I'll get back again. Alright guys, I just added the lemon juice. I put a tablespoon in right before I started the camera. When that comes to a boil and I add the pectin, I'll get back with you again. Now I got the sugar in. I'm going to stir that and bring that up to a boil. I know y'all want to sit here and just watch me stir this, so I'm going to turn this off and get back with you. This stuff smells so good. It's got a buttery, honey kind of smell to it. I tasted the liquid before I put the sugar in. It already had a sweet flavor to it. Now you can see the sugar's already melting. When it comes to a boil, I'll let it boil for a minute, and I'm going to add my pectin, and I'm going to jar this up. I'm not going to hot water bath it, because I'm not going to put it up. I'm just going to put it in the refrigerator, and I'll get to that point. I'll show you how I'll do that. Alright guys, I'm at a roaring boil. I'm boiling for about 2 minutes. Go for about another minute. I'm gonna add my pectin. It's got a floury smell to it. Not sure how it's gonna taste. I'll put 5 cups of sugar in it to give it some flavor. It's already sweet, but when I get finished and get ready to jar it up, I'll be back again. Alright, here we are. Pectin's been added. I'm going to roll this for a couple minutes. And I'll let it sit for a second, and I'll put it in some jars and sample it, see what it tastes like. It smells kind of different, very floral, but if you like that kind of thing, I don't know, I just thought I'd try this. I was wondering if it would be done. I know that the jasmine is edible. Like magnolia, it's the same way. You can even do this with magnolia flowers. Once this is done, I'll be back again and show you what it looks like in the jars. Alright guys, there it is. Jasmine jelly. Isn't that pretty? Setting up. I'm not going to hot water bath it. Got 6 of these little, how many ounces are those? What, 8 ounces or something like that? I'm not sure. Got 6 of those. I left this one here open. Fixing to try some of it. And this little half pint out of that batch. It's 5 cups of sugar, a quart of jasmine, and 1 packet of sugar gel.